In this video, we are going to learn about the complete basics of body butter cream by using butters, oil and essential oil. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. Firstly, let's discuss about the theories of the body butter cream. So the body butter cream or whipped butter cream is one and the same thing. I call it BBC, body butter cream. So what is BBC? It is the mixture of butters and oils. There is a particular ratio of oil and butter which are present in the body butter. So out of 100, 70% is of butter and 30% is of oil. And in that oil part also we have to bifurcate into the two parts. That is, one is 29% and second one is 1%. So the 29% is of the oil and 1% is of essential oil. There is no need of the preservatives as these butters are completely natural. Okay, now let's talk about the butters. Which type of butter can be used in it? So most commonly we can use shea, cocoa, mango, avocado and cocoa butter. These butters basically obtained from the seeds of the nuts. And now oils. We can use jojoba oil, olive, coconut or almond oil. For making this BBC, there are two methods. One is the simple one and second one is emulsified one. So the simple one, that is the completely natural. In that we are not using water, so there is no need to add a preservative for it. But in emulsified one we are using the water, that's why we need for the preservatives. Now the essential oils. In this section I'm gonna give you some of the blends of the essential oil. From that you can choose one for the formulation. First blend is of Skin Soother. For that you have to take two essential oil. One is lavender and second one is camelin. So the ratio of them is 15:5. That is the drops of the essential oil for 100 grams. Okay. Second blend is for the floral smell. So you can use lavender and geranium, and the ratio of them is to 17:13. After that, for the fresh feeling, you can use lavender and lemongrass. If you don't have the lemongrass essential oil, you can substitute it with orange. And last blend is for the sensual feeling. For that, you have to use ylang ylang and lavender. Whenever you are making anything, you can choose one from this blend. Okay, now the formulation of BBC. For it, as I told you earlier, we have to take the ratio. In the oil part, I'm using jojoba oil in this formulation, and for the butter, I'm using shea butter and the cocoa butter. But if you don't have the two types of the butter, you can use single butter in the entire 70%, or you can bifurcate into two, that is 35 to 35. So this is the complete formulation and the basics of the BBC. I hope you took the entire notes in your journal. Okay, now let's check out the ingredients which are required in this cream. We have to use cocoa butter and the shea butter in it, jojoba oil, essential oils, measuring cups, whisker and a bowl. Firstly, in a bowl, pour the measured oil. This is the jojoba oil. Whenever I formulate any cosmetic formulation, I generally used to prefer jojoba oil because jojoba oil is known to possess not only cosmetic but the medicinal properties. After this, I'm taking the butters, that is shea butter and the cocoa butter. Plus, shea butter is a superfood for the skin. Shea butter is like the world's best moisturizer. Cocoa butter is also a good moisturizer as it is high in fatty acid, which is why it's often known for the ability to hydrate and nourish the skin and improve the elasticity. I personally love the combo of these three, that is the jojoba oil, shea butter and cocoa butter, as they work together very well. See, this is our ingredients. Next step is melting. For melting, what we have to do is, we have to make a double boiler. For double boiler, we need a container. We have to pour a water in it. Quantity of the water should be below half the volume of the container. And make one thing clear, the opening of the container is slightly smaller than this bowl, so that our ingredient bowl fixed properly. The concept of the double boiler is that we have to melt this ingredient. We are not cooking the ingredients, okay? That's why we are using water as an interface. This ingredient takes 10 to 15 minutes for the complete melting. Okay, here the melting is done. And yes, if you have the microwave, you can use it for the melting purpose. Otherwise, make a double boiler like this. Now we have to cool this oily paste slightly. In this space only, we have to add the essential oils. I'm using the fresh blend of the essential oil. And it's of lavender and lemongrass. But as I told you, if you don't have the lemongrass, you can substitute it with the orange essential oil. After this, we have to saturate this space properly so that all the essential oil will mix properly. See, this oily paste has cooled down. Again, give a nice saturation to it. You can see its consistency. Now it's time to refrigerate it for 30 to 45 minutes. Actually, what happened over here is I just forgot to start the camera and just started whisking it. That's why it's looking like this. But no issue. After refrigerating, we just have to give a nice whisk like this so that it becomes fluffy. And don't use the whisking machine, just use this hand whisker because we are just making for the 100 grams only. Okay, here our whisking is over. Remove all the product from the whisker properly. And now it's time for the filling. Fill the product in a dry container, dry and a clean container. And now you can see how our product is looking like. Fluffy, pearly white body butter cream. You can store this body butter cream for 6 months and make sure close the lid properly and tightly. You can see the texture of the body butter cream, how rich it is and dense also. You know, body butter creams means to be dense, like a dense cream that hydrates your skin. It's time for the application. Body butter creams are one of the absolute best way to nourish your skin, as it acts as a skin moisturizer, forms a protective layer around the skin, reduces wrinkles and so many things. You can see some of the hardness and the thickness and the fluffiness in it. Thickness is just because of the shea butter, because shea butter is the hardest butter, and jojoba provide you a lubricant effect in it, and cocoa butter give you a soft texture in it. This buttercream also contains the beneficial antioxidant like vitamin E, C and A. Buttercreams are slightly oily in nature. You can see the slight shine on my hand. You can differentiate its result. So this is the complete tutorial about the body butter creams. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.